In the last chapter, Shogdung, he actually refers to a very interesting research study that has been done by other people. And he said, according to a study that has been done of all the non-violent struggles and all the violent struggles that we have seen in the last 100 years, the total number of struggles amounted to 300. So of all the 300 national liberation struggles in the last 100 years, out of those, if you measure all the violent struggles and if you measure all the non-violent struggles and compare them, the rate of success between the two is actually really interesting. And the violent revolution, based on this history of the last 100 years, has a success rate of 23%. But as opposed to that, a non-violent revolution has a rate of success that is 56%. And this is how Shogdung ends his commentary by saying, this revolution of the Tibetan people can continue to be non-violent from the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. And this will make sure that we, without a doubt, succeed in our struggle. Thank you.